Hello everyone. So this is my final product for the cover of the new Adobe Photoshop textbook. So I'm just showing you the final thing first, the final product first, just so I can explain the client's needs and how I met them. And then next we will look at the breakdown and how I came to this finished look. So first things first, I have the title up there at the top with the year which they requested, so 2022 edition, Adobe Photoshop. I have the logo of the company down at the bottom against the clock, which they requested. They also requested that I have the words that are on the bottom right-hand side of the text, so I have that there as well. They also wanted the cover to be something related to graphic design, that kind of stuff. So I thought architecture was a great thing to include. So I included some of the world wonders, the Taj Mahal, the Tower of Pisa, so on and so forth. So this is my finished product once again, and next we're going to be taking a look at the breakdown of how I came to this. Right, so here is the breakdown. First things first, I made the text 8.5 by 11. I don't have a physical copy of the textbook. I have the online copy, but I measured my other textbooks and they all seem to be around this size. So I took my best guess, which was the 8.5 by 11. I left some margins. That wasn't requested, but I did just to be safe. Also, it helped with my formatting as well. So some of the things that I used to get this product and things that we learned in the module were at first the Liquify tool. The Liquify tool I think is pretty neat. I'm gonna click out of here and show you that. Give me a sec. So yeah, this is my sky background, and I used the Liquify tool to get all these fun little shapes. I really liked that. Yeah, and then I also used the gradient tool to get this little shade at the bottom. And when you put these together, I thought it kind of gave almost like a sunrise look, and I thought that was pretty neat. So yeah, I used the gradient tool once again to do that. And you can kind of see how I made that color and everything. And then as far as these clippings go, I used the pen tool for all of these. There are different options in the pen tool, but I mostly used the freeform pen tool. And then when I went in to edit it to make sure that, it was a nice clear picture, I used the delete anchor point tool, and I also used the curvature pen tool to kind of edit those looks. Yeah, so, I will say that a lot of time was spent on cutting these out. It is not easy it's not that it's not easy, it takes some time to definitely get those shapes cut out. Yeah, and then my rectangle right here, I use the rectangle tool to cut that shape out. And then when I click on the student files, I was able to use a mask to get it to fit perfectly inside of that rectangle. And then we have our logo, and then we have the title. I actually used for both of these, I created PDF files using PowerPoint to get these photos, and then I just cropped them and then got them into the final product here. But yeah, so that's my book cover. Once again, I'm really happy with it. I think it turned out awesome, and I'm excited to look at your guys' projects. Have a great day.